A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Let's learn together.
So, very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to the class. We have discussed a lot in this chapter on what we have to discuss now. The next topic, our next topic is about need to resolve conflict. Resolve का मतलब क्या होता है? Solution करना है ना, to solve a particular thing. और conflict का मतलब if two groups are fighting, or if two groups are, or two more than two groups are having any type of issues, then there must be someone to resolve, है ना, to solve the conflict, है ना. उनके आपस में जो लड़ाई हो रही है, झगड़ा हो रही है, उसको solve करने के लिए किसी को आना चाहिए. There must be someone. Then who is here in our country? India is a country of diversities, and the government over here should interfere and resolve such type of conflict, because we know that India is a country of diversities. A lot of people are living in India, and they belong to different castes, they belong to different religion, and they belong to different type of mindset also. So that is why there is always a chance of conflict between two or more than two groups. हमेशा ये कन्फ्लिक्ट होने का, यानी कि आपस में बहस होने का, लड़ाई होने का, ये मामला जो है वो बना रहता है. Always there is a chance of a conflict. People belonging to different caste and religion live here together, but you can see generally people of lower caste are socially and economically backward. ज्यादातर क्या होता है कि लोअर कास्ट के लोग जो हैं, जो पीपल ऑफ लोअर क्लास, दे आर इकोनॉमिकली एज वेल एज सोशली बैकवर्ड. वो पिछड़ जाते हैं, वो पीछे रह जाते हैं. कौन लोग? लोअर कास्ट के लोग, जैसे कि शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब, है ना. These are the people, those who are economically and socially backward, because they do not get the chance to get education, to read, or read in a good university, college, school. They do not get such type of chances because they are busy. Their family, their father or mother, they all work like a labor. So that is why these people do not get a lot of chance or opportunity to go through education, to get the education. That is also one of the main reason why these people are economically and socially backward, because of education. They are at the loggerheads with the people of upper caste. Loggerheads यानी हमेशा उनको नीचे दिखाना, है ना. So they always fight with this. There is always a conflict between these lower caste people and upper caste. According to me, the God has made all human being equal. God has not done any type of discrimination while uh, while giving this particular human being, or sending human being in the world. God has not done any type of discrimination. Here we the people are doing discrimination. We the people are saying someone that you are a lower class or lower caste people, I am higher caste people. These are only done by ourselves only. God has not done any type of discrimination. God has given two eyes and two ears, one nose, one mouth to everyone, two hands, two legs, and that is equal. So there is the discrimination has been done by us only. So we know that majority of the Indians in India, majority of the people, they belong to the religion of Hindus, है ना. They are Hindus. Majority of the, ज़्यादातर लोग इंडिया में रहने वाले जो कौन है, हिंदूज हैं. But people following Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism have lived and prospered here for centuries, है ना. ये लोग religion वाले भी, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism, they are also living here for centuries. बहुत सालों से ये लोग रहते हैं और ये लोग भी तरक्की कर रहे हैं. But the majority of the Indians are Hindus over here. There are other sects, है ना. Other sects and subsects of people are also there. यानी अब जैसे मान लेते हैं हिंदूज है, तो हिंदूज में भी अलग अलग बहुत सारे सेक्ट्स है. ब्राह्मण्स है, राजपूत है ना. वैसे मुस्लिम्स में, इस्लाम में, है ना, वो अंसारीज हो गए हैं, और बहुत सारे डिफिकल्ट अलग अलग बढ़ गए हैं लोग, है ना. They have divided themselves. God has not divided, they have divided themselves. So these people also live in this country. There are more than 1600 languages spoken in India, and out of this 32 languages are spoken by more than 1 lakh people. There are almost, you can see, more than 1600 languages. India में 1600 languages से ज़्यादा languages हैं. But you can say that 32 languages are widely spoken because more than 1 lakh people, they used to speak these 32 languages. But the government of India has recognized 22 languages as official language. लेकिन government of India ने 22 languages को official language माना है ना? They have given, they have recognized यानी पहचाना है ना? Government of India ने 22 languages को as official language. Majority of the people in North India speak Hindi. North India, let me show you with my this one. Yes, you can see over here that North India में यानी at the top you can see over here Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, है ना, Uttarakhand, Punjab. So most of the people in North India they speak Hindi, whereas those in South India they speak Tamil. South India में यानी कि यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं South India में तमिलनाडु में है ना तमिल है और कर्नाटका में different languages are there. You can see तमिलनाडु में क्या है तमिल लैंग्वेज, कर्नाटका में कौन सा लैंग्वेज है कन्नड़, और केरला में कौन सा लैंग्वेज है मलयालम, and Telugu in Andhra Pradesh. So you can see a lot of languages are there in India, you know? So most of the languages are not widely spoken, but 32 languages are widely spoken, which is spoken by more than 1 lakh people. But government of India has recognized 22 languages as official languages. Apart from these differences in speaking of different languages, apart from these differences, we have regional imbalances in development also. So बहुत सारे development में भी जो है वो differences है ना. Most of the states in India are well developed but many of the states in India are not developed. बहुत सारे states जो है developed नहीं है, बहुत सारे developed है. Like let me go through this one, that northwestern and southern states of India are more developed. Northwestern में दिखा देते हैं आपको. Let me show you northwestern. So ये area जो है ये area, this area from northwestern, these areas यानी कि राजस्थान, गुजरात है ना, you can see over here, and even you can see Gujarat and Rajasthan, even Punjab, they are more developed. And even the southern states, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, they are also quite more developed than the eastern states. Eastern states से वो लोग developed जो है वो ज़्यादा है. Eastern states कौन से हैं? Eastern में states यानी कि ये आसाम है, वेस्ट बंगाल, बिहार है, झारखंड है, भूटान है ना, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागालैंड, मणिपुर है ना, मिजोरम. These are the eastern states which are less developed. ये लोग कम developed हैं. ये सब states से ज़्यादा developed नहीं है. कौन से states से? गुजरात, राजस्थान, तमिलनाडु, केरला, कर्नाटका. So आप देख सकते हैं according to the region, these states are not equally developed. ये सारे states जो है वो equally developed नहीं है. Many of the states are less developed and many of the states are more developed. Therefore, conflicts and tensions are natural in Indian society. So, conflict होना, tension होना आपस में वो natural है हमारी Indian society में, because a lot of people of different type of belief, caste, religion है ना are living in India. तो ये तो हो सकता है कि आपस में लोग जो हैं वो थोड़ा क्या है मिलजुल के तो रहते ही हैं, but they can have tension and conflict because of different type of feelings, different type of people living in India. So caste and religious conflicts are most common in India. तो ये दो टाइप का conflict जो है वो common है इंडिया में. वो कौन कौन सा है conflict? वो है caste से related यानी upper caste, lower caste. यानी कभी कभी देखेंगे you will see that the Rajputs and Brahmans and different type of caste people are different from belonging from different castes. They are fighting among each other, declaring that I am more eligible, I am more good, I am better than you. Like this of type of conflicts goes on. So let us learn this religious and caste conflict. कभी-कभी बहुत सारे religious के conflict में भी हो जाते हैं, that Hindus and Muslims are fighting and Hindus and Christians are fighting. So there may be a religious conflict also. and there may be conflict among different type of caste also. So when the government decided, let us learn by example. एक example से हम लोग सीख लेते हैं. The government of India decided to reserve 20% of jobs for the other backward class. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने क्या डिसाइड किया था कि 20% ऑफ द जॉब्स, यानी इफ देयर आर 100 वैकेंसीज, 100 जॉब्स, देन 27 आउट ऑफ दोस 100 जॉब्स विल बी गिवन टू अदर बैकवर्ड क्लास. अदर बैकवर्ड यानी कि वो पिछड़े जाति जो है, अन्य अन्य पिछड़े जाति, यानी जो लोग पिछड़ गए हैं, जैसे कि शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब पीपल. तो ये लोग जो हैं उनको 27% जॉब दे दिया जाएगा, so that they can also come to the level of the other people, of the other caste people. So caste conflict broke out. जब ये गवर्नमेंट ने डिसाइड किया कि 27% जॉब हम लोग उनको दे देंगे, then other people of other caste, they started fighting, they started rally campaign against the government decision. People belonging to upper caste and lower caste, they organized demonstration, processions, public meetings for and against the order of गवर्नमेंट, है ना. तो डिफरेंट कास्ट के लोग, इवन अपर कास्ट के लोग, है ना, जैसे कि अपर कास्ट में आपके आ जाते हैं हिंदूज में ब्राह्मण्स आ जाते हैं, है ना, राजपूत, ये लोग अपर कास्ट है. These people and other lower caste people, और lower caste के लोग, other lower caste के लोग, उन्होंने क्या शुरू कर दिया, गवर्नमेंट के डिसीजन के खिलाफ क्या डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, प्रोटेस्ट स्टार्ट कर दिया. Eventually the Supreme Court intervened and stayed the decision. Supreme Court सामने आता है and the Supreme Court has given stay to that particular decision. Supreme Court ने क्या किया, decision पर रोक लगा दिया गवर्नमेंट का. No, गवर्नमेंट को कहा कि no, you cannot give 27% of jobs to these other backward class people. Let me decide. So Supreme Court ने stay लगा दिया था, यानी रोक दिया था decision को. खत्म नहीं किया था, रोक दिया था. So after few years, the Supreme Court gave the verdict in favor of OBC reservation. और फिर कुछ साल के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या किया, द सुप्रीम कोर्ट gave the decision in favor of other backward class people. So Supreme Court agreed to the reservation of 27% of jobs for the other backward class. Supreme Court ने इसको green signal दे दिया, यानी कि yes कर दिया. Okay, the government can give 20% of the jobs to these people. Now we can find over here that the highest court of the country, that is the Supreme Court, used to resolve the conflict. वो क्या करता है, conflict को solve करने में मदद करता है. Supreme Court is the highest court in India and it always comes to resolve the conflict.
Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.